everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Taiwan Yakisoba. It's Taiwanese style yakisoba stir-fried noodles with some pork and lots of vegetables. It's very easy one-pan dish, but nutritious and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Taiwan Yakisoba. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of yakisoba noodles, 200 grams of ground pork, some bean sprout and Chinese chive or garlic chive, as much as you like, some doubanjian hot bean paste, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce and sake, and 1 tablespoon each of sugar and garlic paste. I'm cutting the Chinese chive first, and this is the only thing you need to cut for the dish. So I'm using kitchen scissors instead of cutting board and knife for easy cleanup. Let's cut the bottom off just a little bit because it's dried. And just cut it into 2 inches or so. Let's mix all these seasonings in one bowl. Sugar, garlic paste, sake, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and doubanjian hot bean paste, 1 to 3 teaspoons depending on how spicy you want to make it. I think I'm doing about 2 teaspoons. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Yakisoba noodles are sticking together straight out from the fridge. So let's microwave this to soften and release the noodles. 2 to 3 minutes at 600 watts. 4 bags altogether. Now, it's softer and noodles are not sticking together. All the ingredients are ready, so let's start to cook. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the wok or frying pan. Add pork and let's cook it until it's browned. You want to overcook it just a little bit to create the toasty flavor and chewy texture. Now, it's smelling like a crispy bacon. Let's add the noodles. Add 2 tablespoons of water and keep frying. well cooked. So let's add the vegetables and the sauce. Try not to overcook the vegetables. You want to enjoy the crispy texture. So the vegetables and the sauce. Using 2 spatula, mix like you're tossing it. When the vegetables are wilted, kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. Some chili strips if you have. And Taiwanese Yakisoba is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so rich and porky, but the crispy vegetable adds so much freshness to it and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Taiwanese Yakisoba is noodles, but it's carb. So let's put it here and you can pass the main. It contains a lot of vegetables. So let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Any soup you like here, but how about Japanese egg drop soup? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!